Assalamu alaikum students. We start our 7th lesson in class PC. Subject is mathematics. Main topic of this lesson is quadratic equation. This is chapter number 1 in book D3. This week is from 18th May to 22nd of May 2020. Methodology. Audio aids, visual aids, educational videos, and homework assignments may help us in this discussion in this lesson. For brainstorming, we have simple questions. What is a quadratic equation? Yes, answer is simple. An equation having highest degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Then what is standard form of a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation arranged in ascending or descending order having 0 on one side is called standard form of the quadratic equation. What is solution of an equation? Yes, answer is simple. Answers obtained by solving a quadratic equation or any equation is called solution or roots of that equation. Last question is here. How many methods have you learned to solve a quadratic equation so far? We have learned two methods so far. One is factorization method and second is called completing square method. Objectives by the end of this lesson, students, I hope inshallah you would be able to solve a quadratic equation by factorization method, by completing square method. We have discussed these two methods in previous lessons and today we are going to start and discuss this third method by using a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. For any given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a quadratic formula that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Yes, students, we have to learn this formula by heart so that we may apply it easily in all cases. Here, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of this formula. Roots are note roots are real and different if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and roots are imaginary means not real if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 and roots of the equation are equal if b square minus 4ac equals to 0 means this discriminant has a vital role and or important role you can say in discussing the nature of the roots of an equation. This discriminant can help us to decide about to say something about the nature of the roots. What type of roots are? Are these roots real or different? Are roots real or are these two roots equal? Number one. Further, this quadratic formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. We use this formula frequently in many cases. Factorization or is not possible. Derivation of this formula is not included in CIE syllabus, so I don't want to discuss this. Just we have to learn and apply this formula again and again. Example 1. Solve this equation x square minus 4x plus 17 equals to 0. Here, keep in mind coefficient of x square is always taken as a. Coefficient of x is always supposed as b and this constant term is always taken as c. And note all these must be on one side or you can say equation must be in standard form. Now taking here values of a, b and c, we apply the formula directly. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. We use here values and simplify to get these two answers. Then example 2. Solve the equation x minus 1 equals 5 over x plus 7 by quadratic formula. First of all, we need to simplify this equation. We multiply on both sides by LCM, that is x plus 7. We simplify this, getting this line or equation x square plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0. Now comparing or claiming about A, B and C. Here we find A is 1, B is 6 and C is minus 12. We write these values of A, B, C in quadratic formula and simplify these to get this as answer. These are two answers for this question or example up to 2 decimal places. Example third is here. Solve this equation 3x minus 4 equals 4x minus 3 whole square. First, we need to simplify this equation. We open the right hand side by using identity, that is a minus b whole square. We get this answer. Then taking these terms on one side and again arranging, and keep in mind always try to get coefficient of x square something positive. Try to get this number as a positive number. If this is negative, we can take minus 1 common, or we can multiply throughout by minus 1 to make it positive. It will be easiest way to solve a quadratic equation. In case of negative coefficient, we can also deal, but it is somewhat difficult or lengthy process. Okay, now comparing here, A is 16, B is minus 27 and C is 13. These are values. Use these values. We find here on the b square minus 4ac. You can write here complete formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Or after simplification, we find here b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. This on simplification gives us something negative. This is important thing here. We get here minus 103 minus 103 answer for a discriminant, which is under the radical sign. We stop this example or question solving further by claiming because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, this equation has no real solutions or no real roots. We don't need to solve it further. This can stop it by claiming that roots are not real in this case. Recap. What is quadratic formula? Answer. Quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. What is discriminant? Answer. Expression under the radical sign, that is b square minus 4ac, is called discriminant. Then question is here. What is the role of discriminant in nature of roots of an equation? Answer is here. Roots of the equation can be discussed, or their nature can be discussed just by solving or simplifying discriminant only. Roots are real and different if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If we get answer for discriminant as something positive, we always get answer real, and two different answers will be there. Roots are not real. Roots are imaginary or not real if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If we get something negative under the radical sign, we claim further solution is not possible and we stop solving the question. Further, roots are equal if b square minus 4ac equals 0. It means any quadratic equation will have two same answers or two same roots if answer for the discriminant only we get as 0 on simplification. These are main ideas. Students, I hope inshallah you will be able to apply and solve the quadratic equations by using these quadratic formulas. Allah Hafiz.